Well, I splurged a little and I bought myself a Moxon Vise. Well, Moxon Vise hardware kit. It's a twin screw vise kit, and I'm going to use this red oak to make the jaws for it. It comes with instructions. I'm going to attempt to build this. Should we use the instructions or just wing it? Yeah, we should probably use the instructions this time because I have no idea how. But it'll be fun either way. What I'm doing here is I'm adding these little tabs on the part that I clamp it so that I can line it on the table a lot easier than trying to line it up with, you know, your hands and your eyeballs. This way it can set against these little tabs here and line itself up, and it should work good. That's pretty cool. That's a Moxon vise. And here's the finished product. I bought this hardware kit off of Amazon under $40, and you can see the little tabs there for helping line it up. The reason I drilled 2 holes in the front is it allows you to clamp tapers. I just literally read the instructions. I know it's not just winging it, but hey. So you clamp it down to your table, and well, you start clamping pretty much. I'm going to finish this with like a shellac or maybe boiled linseed oil, my favorite. But other than that, I put this little bevel right here so I can learn how to do some handmade dovetails. I always wanted to try those. And but yeah, it was fun doing it myself. I mean, a homemade vise, except for the hardware. That's kind of cool. I used red oak. I made it about 6 inches high. They say 4 inches is good. Unless you're taller, you can make it taller. I went with 6 inches. I mean, I'm only 6 foot tall, but with my table setup, it's going to be perfect for me to do some hand planing. I'd like to get into some more hand tool stuff, but that's the finished product. So I'll see you next time. The next video should be cornhole boards. All right, bye.